I thought I knew how long a pair of darn tough crew socks last, till this showed up in the warranty replacement pair. 2 pair of black crew socks were purchased from Darn Tough's official site on Amazon on April 29th, 2022 for $21.95 a pair. The Darn Toughs were going up against Wigwam's acrylic crew socks at $15.99 for 2 pair. These socks typically last close to 3 years. The 66% merino wool is more expensive than the 68% acrylic content in the Wigwams. After about 2 washings, be prepared for the merino wool to shrink. Both pairs of Darn Toughs were used once a week, and during the 6 months of warmer weather, 1 pair went for a 15-mile hike every Sunday. Otherwise, they went for at least a 3-mile walk. There is a stunning difference in the durability between the original 2 pairs of socks and the almost free warranty replacement pairs. Keep in mind, you pay for the return shipping, which is currently $4.68 from the state of Pennsylvania to Vermont. Budget a minimum of 1 hour to go through the Darn Tough warranty return process, purchase postage, and package up the socks for shipping. 1 original pair developed a hole on May 19th, 2025, and the other pair, a hole appeared on September 1st, 2025. The socks lasted about 3 years, and you can do a rough estimate that they lasted about 936 miles per pair. Now this is where it gets interesting. Much to my surprise, on November 7th, one of the warranty replacement socks developed a hole. That's roughly just 5 months. If you look closely at another one of those replacement socks, you'll see that a hole is also developing on the ball of the foot. The price for a pair of these socks has now increased to $24. In comparison, I just paid $24 for a pair of 50% alpaca wool socks. These socks are a much better quality than the $24 pair from Darn Tough. Has Darn Tough's quality diminished? Do they send lesser quality socks as warranty replacements? Did I get socks with a manufacturing defect? Do I want to pay almost $5 in shipping and an hour of time to return these socks only to get a pair that lasts 5 months? Please feel free to comment with your Darn Tough sock experience. And thanks for watching this non-AI generated video.